Hi Dad, thanks so much for supporting my YouTube career, but please just don't watch this video, okay? Thanks. You can tune in next week. Just one thing, okay? Okay, cool. This video's only gonna get awkward if we make it awkward, so we're just not gonna be awkward about it. Okay, cool, thanks, great. Perfect. Like, how do you introduce such a video, you know? Alright, listen guys, I'm a teenage girl and I dance, okay? And no one ever taught me how to shave my bikini line. Just last summer, I was at the pool with Bella and she was like, Haley, alright, we're not gonna tell that story, but I want to shave my bikini line. Now, this isn't my first time, but every time I shave, there's those disgusting razor bumps, okay? No one likes exactly, you know what I mean? Being a dancer, like, you see everything, okay? And I'm going swimsuit shopping this weekend for a video, and I can't have that, you know? So my dear friend Noah sent me this article. It is by Cosmopolitan, and it is titled, How to Stop Heckish Shaving Rash on Your Bikini Line Once and For All. And the subheader says, a former stripper has taken to Reddit to share her tried and tested techniques. Strippers have their cooch on display for everyone to see every night, so I figured this would work. And Noah said it worked, so I'm gonna try it. Oh my gosh, she was a dancer too. See, this is great. You guys are teenagers, some of you guys dance, we can all do this. All right, so let's go to the store and buy our supplies. Driving to Hawaii, surfing down the street. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I did just spend $45 at Walgreens to shave my vagina. This better freaking work. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! So I guess I'll do a haul. They said get a men's razor with at least 4 blades, but I got 5, so this better freaking work. Ultra sensitive hydrogel. This is the weird part. Deodorant, I couldn't find the Dove unscented, so I just did the dry protection shower clean. And baby oil. What? Okay. I think first step in general, stripper or not, is to trim. I don't know. Or should I? I don't know. I don't know how to do this. Those noises. So this is definitely the weirdest video I've ever filmed. I'm currently sitting in like an inch full of bathtub water. Okay, let's begin. First, exfoliate. I'm going to be using this Soap and Glory exfoliator. Let's do this. So do you guys like my new content? Pretty fun, isn't it? Then rub the area with baby oil before you shave to soften the hair and skin. Oh, it's baby proof. Whoa! Look at that cap. I don't know why I'm so fascinated by that. Baby oil smells so good. Who came up with this? So it says to shave with a men's razor. This is my men's razor, and use a men's moisturizing shaving cream. Okay, but oh my gosh. Ow, my knees. All right, this is the moment of truth. These noises are literally gonna get me demonetized. Oh my gosh, this is gonna get demonetized, isn't it? Woo! This is fun. Okay, I'm out of the bath now. Okay, then it says to dab some rubbing alcohol on the skin, and this is to kill bacteria and close your pores. I don't have rubbing alcohol, but I have isopropyl alcohol, which I looked up and it said that this will work fine. Okay, so dab. Oh! That stings a little. Ooh, this kind of stings. Ah, ooh, yeah, it's really getting in those pores. Oh, wow, okay. Oh my gosh, I'm bleeding. Okay, so that kind of burned, but I feel a little refreshed, I guess. Okay, this is by far the weirdest step to me. It says to put deodorant there because this will keep you dry and it won't chafe and it prevents razor bumps. I don't see how that would happen. I just cut my nails, gosh darn it. Oh my gosh. Why am I bleeding? Oh no. That's not supposed to happen. Was the men's razor just too much for me to handle? Okay, and now I'm gonna wear some sweatpants, refrain from really tight clothing, and I think we're done. Alright, so let's do a review. Did this work? I think it did. Let me check. Yeah, it did work, and it worked really well. The only bad thing is I did bleed, but I think I just shaved wrong. Also, is it safe to put deodorant that close down there? That's a little scary to me. Try this at your own risk. This is definitely the weirdest video I've ever made.